Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beautiful paper flowers using an easy method. First, let's gather our basic materials. You'll need paper, of course, along with scissors and a good adhesive. Consider using different paper types like crepe for texture or cardstock for sturdiness. Always set up a clean, flat area to work, ensuring you have enough space to spread out your supplies and create comfortably. This preparation makes the whole process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's focus on creating those lovely petals. The key to a realistic flower is variety, so cut different shapes and sizes to give your bloom depth and character. Once cut, gently curl or fold the edges of each petal. You can use a pencil or your fingers to achieve a natural curve, adding that lifelike texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with various cutting techniques. This is where your creativity truly shines, making each flower unique. With your petals ready, it's time for assembly. Begin by attaching the smallest petals at the center, gradually layering larger ones around them. This creates a natural, full appearance. Make sure to use a strong adhesive, like hot glue or craft glue, to ensure your flower holds together beautifully for a long time. Once all the petals are in place, consider adding a wire stem or a sturdy paper base if you plan to display your flower in a vase or as part of a larger arrangement. This step brings your creation to life. Finally, let's add those special finishing touches that make your paper flower truly pop. You can enhance your creation with details like green leaves, a touch of glitter for sparkle, or even painted accents to add more color and dimension. Once complete, arrange your beautiful paper flowers in a vase, on a gift, or as part of a decorative centerpiece. They make wonderful, lasting decorations. Also, for those looking to improve their financial mindset, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.